There it is, boy. There's the box. There's my battery box, which is amazing. Look at that. This Bonnet drove halfway across Japan with us. Now it's here. Yeah, man, that's fucking great. Man, there's so much aero. Holy shit. I'm very, very excited. I bought a random porn magazine. Blade is in fucking bits. Oh, that's great. Ah, yeah, there's me bonnet. Unreal. Ah, I'm fucking delighted, man. That's great. Alright. This is fucking great. There it is, boy. There's the box.
Oh, unreal.
There's me battery box, which is amazing. Look at that.
That's insane, man.
Look at that. M Factory.
That's class.
Isn't that great? That plaque is very exciting. Right, so 3 months ago I was in Japan, as you may know, and dropped all this stuff off to our depot in Tokyo. That's great. 2 weeks with the hood.
Yeah.
We're dropping it off. Battery box and a box of mags. And now we're on the other side, taking it out of the container. This Bonnet drove halfway across Japan with us. We still have an 8.6 Bonnet, which is just hiding back there.
Magazines.
And magazines, so all that stuff needs to be moved. Now it's here.
Look at them out the air.
Holy shit! Yeah! Man, that's fucking great. It didn't get smashed in smithereens either, which is lovely. It's fucking gorgeous. Man, there's so much aero. Holy shit. I'm very, very excited. I'll just hand this down to you instead. Hey! That's great. Jesus Christ, absolutely buzzing. All of us have something on this container, it's great. And it's Christmas in a couple of weeks, so this is our version of Christmas here at work. Seed for Adrian, I got a Bonnet, magazine, the JDM Christmas. And then you got a bumper for your S2000. Great! Imagine we were getting shit in every container for ourselves, it'd be fucking some buzz. I can't wait to see all of the items. 10 years of wanting that fucking Bonnet. And then it took 3 months to get here, but yeah, this is the best Christmas ever now. I'm fucking so happy. This is great. Right, so half of the container was just stuff that we need to freestyle, just aero in boxes and random bits. But looks like it's going to get exciting behind here. There's a pallet of engines and then there's a shitload of wheels. Hey, that's the shot. So we're about halfway. We just lifted out the engine pallet. And I think the rest of this is just wheels. You can go down now. There's the last pallet. This is a pretty quick container because 50% of it was just aero that we could just hand out, so. Yep. We're finished! Woo! We're up, boy.
Always put towards you.
Yep. Always. Finished?
Goodbye.
Take her out, lad.
No rips or fag marks. There will be one. Here, hold that. Put it down there. Put it down. Raise it.
That's great. Look at that. That is a very, very cool seat.
God damn.
Fucking hell. Wow.
Something like that'll be unreal.
Yeah, bring it out into the sun there.
Flake is ridiculous, man. Isn't it? Mental.
Wow. Unreal. Still just buzzing off the seat.
Man, I can't get over how cool it is. Like.
Oh man, look at that little fucking scoop. It's very, very cool. I've never seen one of them before.
I'm actually lighting.
Yes, boy.
I'm actually made up if I can finally unwrap it.
That's fucking class, man. Look at that. It's a fucking cool scoop and everything. What is it? Sea West or is it Ings? It's Ings, is it? So I guess you've just seen us unload the container, and I put this box. Well, I didn't put this box, but we drove this box, this battery box, and the bonnet that's out there. These are all the bits that we drove to the JDM Distro depot in Tokyo, and yeah, it's kind of cool now they're on the other side. So I'm gonna open this box because there's gifts in here. There's a bunch of magazines that I got off my friend Rob. There is hood pins for you that came from Zero Fighter, and there's also a Zero Fighter license plate in here with all the guys' signatures because we got them all to sign it when we bought it. So I'm really excited. There's a lot of BM magazines in here which I've wanted for about 10 years, and yeah, hopefully everything's in good condition. We'll see. Oh shit, I'm very excited. Wasn't bad. It was, we put this stuff in the container in September and now it's December, so and there's a bunch of random like other stuff in here as well. So there's the little 20th anniversary fan thing from the racetrack. It's actually amazing. Look, there's we went to Rocky Auto. There's the Rocky Auto brochures, fucking up garage brochures. This is so cool because it's literally just a snippet of everything that we were doing when we were there. I bought a Decatura magazine with just like crazy fucking trucks in it. I bought this Initial D fan book for the laugh. Loads of Drift Tengokus. I bought a random porn magazine just for the joke, because there's some crazy like, oh no, there's the Osaka Kanjo stuff that was in the middle of the magazine. So what happened was is I picked this up in a 7-Eleven, and then I saw a bunch of Civics in it. You can see them all here. So there's like this really, really badass like Osaka Kanjo manga. But then what happened then is I actually found the manga magazine, so I bought these. So then like I just have this weird like, I don't know what, it's like a, I don't really know what it is to be honest, but it has a bunch of fucking cool Civics in it. So I was like, yeah, you know, here's a nice woman. What else we got? Yeah, I bought more weird stuff. It has all just cars in and stuff as well. It's mad. But yeah, we were just buying a load of random magazines. I think that's G-Works magazine. That's gorgeous. I bought a bunch of G-Works magazines. And then, oh yeah, there's loads of shit in here, man. The suspense. That's great.
That's unreal.
Yeah. Then there's a stack of BM magazines, and the only thing Adrian cares about is you. So I got those off the guys over there. Red to match your fucking car.
Yep, son.
That's great. So here is a really nice, cool Zero Fighter license plate that I got for the Civic.
So shout out to the lads.
Yeah, the lads.
Thank you.
And they just gave this to us, and they signed it all with all their stuff. Look, that's all the signatures of all the guys from Zero Fighter. So that's so fucking cool. I'm very, very excited about that. I'm so glad it came here in one piece. Yeah, unfucking real. And then there's just a stack of battle magazines then, all from my favourite era of Japan cars, 1999 to 2005, arguably the golden era of Japanese car tuning, and all these magazines are from between 99 and 2002. Massive shout out to Rob Berry for hooking me up with all these. I've literally wanted all these for years. There's a lot of them in here. Like there's a fucking shitload of them. Yeah, I should probably take them out and we can enjoy them. This is like the fucking golden era of Japanese drifting. how many are in here, look. Have a gander at that, lad. Look at that. Just keep on fucking coming. Oh my god, man. These are all the things you see when you're on fucking Instagram that people scan up. Like, look. Oh, it's so good.
Battery wax always more.
Yeah. Oh, what else do we have? Oh yeah, I forgot I bought a bunch of random stuff at a 86 Fest. I bought like some shit used pedals that I thought were deadly, Razzo pedals. They were €1. These were like €1. They're fucking great. I don't even know what I'm gonna do with them. And I bought 2 horn buttons as well for the joke. M Sport, the street weapons, Heat is on, and Pista Racing. They were 10 cent each. 100 yen. Yeah, look, 200 yen for the whole pedal set. And I just have a bunch of random fucking bags then. Liberty Walk and Show Up, Signal Auto. One of my all-time favourite shops ever. Look at that. It's a very cool bag. Yeah, I'm very happy. This is the best Christmas present I've ever given myself, even though I already knew I was getting all this. But this is all from my trip in Japan. It's so cool. Drove it to JDM, put it in the container, and then it fucking came on a Monday morning. Best Monday in work ever. That's a lot of nice magazines. Cool.
Yay! Goodbye.
Woo! Fucking so happy. This is a genuine happy face. Where's the beams with the really funny sticker on it? This is great. Carbonizer. Sludgenizer. Look at that. Yeah, I got the Sludgenizer sticker on my one. HKS cams on the L 1.5J. Whoa! They are them McLarens. SSR McLaren. Fucking insane looking. They'd be so cool on an EF or something. Whoa! Such a beautiful wheel. The classic colour just reminds me of Top Secret. The bonnet for my Truno looks hilarious here, just sitting on the 180. It almost fits. Still very, very excited about this bonnet. It'd be cool to get it cleaned up. It's funny that it just travelled about 3,000 kilometers with me flipping Ruben in Japan, and Flip just kept giving out about it being in his rear view mirror. Came the whole way with us on this adventure so far.
In the back.
In the back of the Alphard. Kind of funny.
See you, Bonnet.
Now we will leave and have more space in the Alphard. Yeah, so this is a Goodline bonnet. Goodline were like a company that produced aero, and they were a body shop back in like the late 90s to the mid-millennium. This is arguably one of the most attractive bonnets ever made.
Hey guys.
Feel the vent. It's well on the 180 SX. You see your head.
How are you? You alright?
But it's definitely something I've lusted after for a long time. Most of the cars that I liked back in the day, many of the cars from the 2000 era ran this bonnet in Levin or Truno form. They're quite hard to get. There's not too many of them in Ireland. Oh, nice. There's a chip taken out of it there. Don't mind that. It's cool. This came off a really cool car. I tried to buy this on Yahoo Auctions and it didn't work out. We were trying to organise getting a ship because the person that was selling it was only doing collection only, and it was in Tokyo. So a mate of ours, Rob, who lives in Osaka, was passing by, and then he bought the bonnet, and he said he would sell it to me on one condition, that I would come and collect it in person. So that's the only reason why I went to Japan, was just to get this bonnet. No other reason whatsoever. And the bonnet lived with us for a long time. Now it's here. Got this really, really nice pit road battery box in an up garage in Hamamatsu. Flip actually picked this up, but it's too small for him. It's perfect for me. It'll go nicely in the 8.6. 40 of these BM magazines. It's called Battle magazine. It was going since the early 90s, and it was arguably the best magazine to capture the drift culture in Japan. There's so many incredible cars in here, and This would be my favorite era of Japanese car style. Late 90s, early millennium. It's just incredible. The style was on point. Mate, Rob Berry, absolute legend. He decided to sell me his collection of BM magazines along with the Bonnet, and I also bought a good line bumper off him too, so I can't thank him enough. He literally like gave me a whole bunch of stuff that I've wanted for such a long time and just ticked it all off the list for me right there. So there's so many of these magazines and I haven't even had a chance to properly look through them yet. What's cool is I got the editor of Battle magazine to sign one of the copies for me, because just before we came back from Japan we ended up going to a Battle magazine cup in Nikko, which is so cool because this has always been my favorite magazine, and then to go to one of the cups was something else. So that whole trip was amazing. Damn, NA Works 86, they definitely made one of the coolest front bumpers. Yeah, so like I was saying, the Goodline stuff was incredibly popular back around the turn of the millennium. This is 2002, and yeah, pretty much all of my favorite 86s were rocking Goodline Aero. There's the Goodline Demo Gold 11. Goodline, Goodline, everything is Goodline. Yeah, arguably the greatest style. There's an A86 for $2,000, a 180SX for $2,000. There it is. There is an ad for Goodline. There's Goodline Truno Bonnet, Goodline bumper. Goodline made some really fucking badass stuff, but their 86 stuff is arguably the best.